This video introduces how to use the PetBeat mobile app with Argos. Android users can download the PetBeat app from Google Play and iPhone users from the App Store. On the monitoring screen, click the Generate QR Code button on the right to display a QR code. Open the mobile app, select QR Login, and scan the code. The ongoing ECG screen will appear on your mobile device. On your first login, tap Save Login Info to store your authentication details. Once logged in, a list of monitored animals will be displayed. Tap on an animal to view the same monitoring signals from the PC screen directly on your phone. Tap the ECG signal to enlarge and view it in real time. From the History tab at the bottom of the home screen, you can browse past measurement records by patient ID and date range. Select the file you want and press play to replay the ECG measurement record.